Hey guys, I made it home after being at the NRVTA. As soon as I was done on the last day I recorded this video. I've been home for about a week now. This video was recorded a couple hours after I took my last test for my last class. So it's just my raw thoughts. There will be a video probably next week coming out with my thoughts after reflecting for a couple of weeks of being home. I'm also going to go through everything I'm doing to set up my business. That's why I haven't put out a video right away because I've been so busy. All right, guys, until next week, here's this video. See ya. NRVTA, 100% worth it. If that's all you're looking for, see ya. I did the 6 weeks, which was solar first. Then I had a week of fundamentals. After the fundamentals, I did all the advanced classes, which was advanced refrigerators, advanced air conditioners. Then we did exteriors. After exteriors, we had water heaters and furnaces. It was awesome. We had a great time. I met some awesome people, learned a lot, and it honestly, I think your experience in the class is going to have a lot to do with your attitude and what you're trying to get out of it. So if you come in with the right attitude, I think you'll be all right. The fundamentals class, I think, is definitely worth it for the average RV owner that wants to know more about their rig. I said rig. I think it should be mandatory for, okay, not mandatory. I think anybody who's buying an RV should definitely go through a class like fundamentals. And then those who are advanced RVers or those looking to start a career in RV tech, I think it'd be awesome to do the advanced classes. Anybody wanting to start a business as an RV tech, you'd be silly not to take all the advanced classes. Another thing I want to chat with you about, oh, hold on, don't forget, subscribe down below if you don't mind. Share this video, hit the like button, you know, all the stuff, the things. One of the other things I've really noticed is that all the instructors, they really seem to have a passion for RVing. Same with the TAs. What in the world? What is this, like a sex shack or something? What? That's weird. I do think all the instructors have a passion. Most of the people, I mean, the school's founded on that. It's a passion for RVing. So I talked to Todd, who kind of runs the joint now. Just talking to him this morning. I asked Todd what his vision is for the school, and his answer is pretty simple. If it has to do with RVing, he wants NRVTA to be the go-to. He said he's been working with some manufacturers and he's got some stuff in the pipeline and some other classes that'll be coming online here in the not too distant future. There's some stuff that I don't think has been announced, so I'm not going to say anything, but I would definitely be paying attention to the NRVTA website and their YouTube channel. Todd and them will be announcing some of the stuff that he may have mentioned. Yeah, I look forward to some of the stuff that they have planned. There's lots of opportunity out there in the RV sector, space, whatever you want to call it. And I think education is going to be a huge part of that. So my journey is pretty much over for now at the NRVTA. Next step for me is going to be working on getting my business off the ground. And I will be making a video about that as well. I'll be letting you know if the NRVTA helped me along that path. I'll let you know what I would do different. Hopefully I've learned from other people's stories and mistakes and adventures on what they would do different, and hopefully I'll be able to implement those in my journey. Yeah, I can't think of anything better out there for learning RV stuff. Is it perfect? No. Is it cheap? No. Is there value in it? A ton. I don't think you can go wrong with it. All right, I'm not gonna keep on yapping, but all right, until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.